Archaeologists pinpoint the likeliest place where Neanderthals and modern humans interbred. In the heart of the Zagros Mountains, ancient humans might have crossed paths with Neanderthals, leaving genetic imprints that survive in many people today. For tens of thousands of years, Neanderthals and anatomically modern humans shared vast landscapes. Occasionally, they crossed paths, leaving traces in the DNA of their descendants. While scientists have long known that Neanderthals and modern humans interbred, the precise locations where these encounters occurred remain elusive. A new study has shed light on a possible geographic zone, the Zagros Mountains, a region stretching across present-day Iran, Iraq, and Turkey. Scientists have struggled for years to pinpoint the exact locations and times where Neanderthals and modern humans might have interbred. Fossil evidence is scarce, and ancient DNA from these populations is often unavailable. Researchers led by Salman Garan from the University of Cologne in Germany turned to ecological niche modeling. This method estimates the habitat suitability of species by analyzing environmental factors like temperature and precipitation. By combining this model with geographic information systems, GIS, the researchers reconstructed the potential ranges of both species. The focus was on a critical period between 120,000 and 80,000 years ago, known as Marine Isotope Stage 5, MIS5. The model showed that during MIS5, the Zagros Mountains served as a crossroads where Neanderthals and modern humans likely met. With its high biodiversity and varied topography, this region might have provided ideal conditions for both species to thrive and encounter one another. The researchers believe that climatic shifts made the environmental conditions in this mountainous area more favorable for interbreeding. Neanderthals, accustomed to cooler environments, found in the Zagros a landscape that felt familiar. Meanwhile, modern humans, moving out of Africa, were well equipped to navigate the region's challenging terrain. The overlap in their habitats increased the likelihood of contact and interbreeding. Fortunately, the Zagros Mountains have yielded significant fossil and archaeological discoveries related to Neanderthals. In the northern Zagros, at Shanidar Cave, archaeologists unearthed the remains of 10 Neanderthals, offering a glimpse into their lives and deaths. Some Neanderthals were buried with flowers, evidence of funeral rites that extend beyond our species. In the Kermanshah region of Iran, more Neanderthal fossils have surfaced in the Wezme and Bisatun caves. These discoveries reinforce the idea that the Zagros Mountains were a long-term home for Neanderthals. A single Neanderthal tooth found at the Bawa Yawan rock shelter, dated to around 65,000 years ago, provides crucial evidence. Our study identified the Persian Plateau, particularly the Zagros Mountains, as a potential interbreeding area for AMHs and Neanderthals, the researchers wrote. The geographical conditions of this region justify the possibility of attracting different hominin groups. This area is located in two different biogeographical zones, the Palearctic and Afrotropical realms. The border areas operate as refugia for species from glacial environments. Therefore, interaction between different hominins, including AMHs and Neanderthals, was greater in these areas during Pleistocene climatic shifts. The interbreeding of Neanderthals and modern humans has profound implications for our understanding of human evolution. Neanderthal genes make up a small percentage of the DNA of most people of non-African descent today. These genes influence traits from immune responses to skin pigmentation. Understanding where and when this interbreeding occurred helps scientists piece together the puzzle of human history. The new findings from the Zagros Mountains add an important piece to that puzzle. They suggest this rugged region was a meeting ground where two human species intertwined. Researchers hope to find more clues about the lives of our ancient ancestors as they continue to explore the area. The Zagros Mountains may hold many more surprises, buried in the rocks and hidden in the caves.